All right, everybody, welcome back. We are ready for another deep dive, and today we are going to be looking at AI in education.
Specifically AI tutors.
Yeah, and
That's a really hot topic,
it
right?
is. Yeah, it's really interesting to kind of think about what this means
Uh-huh.
for the future. And this isn't like a far off future thing.
No.
It's happening right now, and we have a great video script to kind of dig into here.
Yeah, this is a really cool one.
Yeah, it shows AI tutoring like really in action. So let's just jump right into it.
Okay.
So we're introduced to this student named Lina.
Uh-huh.
She's working on this math problem, and it's clear she's having trouble. She's getting kind of frustrated.
Yeah, and that's where the AI tutor steps in, which is, kind of the exciting part of all of this.
Yeah, so walk me through this. Like, what happens? How does this go down?
Well, so, a lot of people, when they think about AI tutors, they think, oh, it's just going to give you the answer.
Right, just the easy way out.
Right, but that's not really the point here. The AI in this video script, it breaks the problem down
Right.
step by step, and it figures out, like, where Lena's getting stuck.
Okay, so it's like really personalized to her.
Exactly. Like it can see what she's struggling with and adjust to her pace. And
That's really cool.
yeah, it's like having a tutor who can, read your mind almost.
That's amazing. And I noticed that they use animation too in this script to show how this works.
Right.
And I really like that because I'm such a visual learner. I need to see things.
Oh, absolutely. Visual learning is so powerful. And, for a lot of people it's how they learn best.
Yeah, and I think this really highlights how AI can make learning more engaging
Mm-hmm.
for everyone. Not just visual learners, but just think about all the other subjects too.
Yeah, like you could learn a new language with an AI tutor and it could create these, simulations for you.
Wow.
Or you could study history through like immersive virtual reality. I mean, the possibilities are really endless.
And you see in the script, Lena has this like ha moment when she
Yes.
finally gets it, and you could tell she's so excited.
It's like you can see the light bulb going off.
Yeah, exactly. And then she like nails the next problem, and the AI gives her a little well done message.
Oh, that's so great because, that reinforcement, that positive feedback, it can really make a difference.
Totally. It's a huge confidence booster, and it just makes you want to keep learning.
Exactly. And that's really, I think, what AI can bring to education. It can create this personalized feedback loop
Yeah.
that encourages students and keeps them motivated.
And the thing that really struck me about this whole script is that this isn't, some far off thing. This
Bro,
is happening now.
it's already happening.
AI tutoring is already being used.
And it's making a real difference in classrooms.
Yeah, so it's exciting to think about, what the future holds.
Uh-huh. And how AI can make education more accessible and more effective for everyone.
Yeah, so I'm curious, like, what about you? What subject do you think you would have benefited from having an AI tutor for?
Oh man, that's a good question.
Yeah.